Welcome back. It's art time class. Today I'm going to show you how to color by number using Google Sheets. Let's get started. To begin, if you're working off our slideshow, go ahead and click on this image here, and it's going to prompt you to create your own copy of color by number. I do recommend zooming in to 200% so everything's nice and big. At the bottom, you will see 3 tabs already. The first tab is just the code, and it lets you know which numbers go to which colors that I've already created for us. The next 2 tabs has a sample image and a sample of each color. I do recommend right-clicking and duplicating to make lots of copies, however many copies you want. And you can start filling in right away. Now, how to change the colors or add more colors. Let me show you. Up here at the top, you're going to go to Format. Conditional formatting is what you are looking for. Once you click that, over here, you're going to see the conditional formatting rules. If you're working off my copy, you're going to see these here. Otherwise, it's going to be blank. Let's take a look at one that I already have here. You want the value range to be the whole Google Sheet. To do that, you can select this little box right here pretty quickly. And then over for the cell formatting, we want it to be is equal to, it's right there. And then put in whatever number, character, it can be any, even letters, anything you want. And then down here, you want the text color and the fill color to be the same. Otherwise, it's going to look a little different. And let's go ahead and change the color to see how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and change these two to be this lighter pink color. Click Done. And now when I go over here, you're going to see that that color has changed. Well, I cannot wait to see what you are going to make. Till next time, keep being creative.